Welcome to Review Tutorial. Today, we're diving into a super useful Shopify feature, how to add a buy button in Shopify store. A buy button lets you embed product listings and checkout options on any website or page, giving your customers a seamless shopping experience wherever they are. Ready to get started? Let's go. Step 1. Setting up the buy button. First, from your Shopify dashboard, go to App, then select App and Sales Channel Settings. Next, click on Shopify App Store in the right corner of the screen. Then type Buy Button App and press Enter to search. This app lets you generate embeddable code for any product or collection. Then hit the Buy Button Channel app. After that, click on the Install button to add it to your Shopify store. Once it's added, click on Create a Buy Button. You'll get two options. 1. Product Buy Button, perfect for linking to a single product. 2. Collection Buy Button, great for showcasing a group of products. Step 2. Creating a Product Buy Button. Click on Product Buy Button and select the product you want to feature. Here, I will select the first product in the list. Then, customize the look and feel by adjusting the button style, layout, and color to match your brand. Once you're happy with the design, click on Next button. After that, Shopify will generate an embed code for you. Now that we've got our code, it's time to add it to your website or blog. Simply copy this code to embed it in your Shopify page. Step 3. Embedding the Buy button in Shopify page. Head over Online Store, go to the Pages. For example, you want to embed the Buy button on Clothing page. Click on the two inverted arrows icon, open the HTML box, then paste the copied code into that area, and then close it. Finally, save your changes and preview the page. Your Shopify Buy button is now live and ready to use. Before you celebrate, make sure to test the Buy button. Click on it to see if the checkout process works smoothly, and that's it. You've successfully added a Buy button to your Shopify page. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.